Hey guys, what's going on? We are here at All Asian Day, or in the line for All Asian Day, I should probably say. It's been a bit of a mission to get here, but we're still ahead of a lot of people, so we'll see how many sessions we can get in on the track. And we'll have a bit of a wander around and have a look at some of these cars as well. So we're probably 3/4 of the way through the line, and the smell of E85 is just the best thing ever. Like every second car here is running E85, and I always used to be jealous when I would see a car go past with like gangster stance and E85 coming out of it. You just get that smell and you just go, oh. It's a Renier! What's that? Goose. Which one? Oh. This thing's cool. Oh, come on.
Gotta be low for the photo.
That was sick.
And looks like one of the cars has spilled some sort of fluid on the track.
Being the first time that this car has hit the track since having all the work done, including the engine rebuild, I thought it was only fitting to have my mates who helped with the engine rebuild come along for the ride, starting with Aaron.
It's on selfie mode.
Yeah, it's good.
Start pulling, he's like, nah, you can't get away from this. Sounds so good. For Jeremy to absolutely flog it.
Yeah, I'm a little scared.
Something makes like 760.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's a loud turbo you got there.
I got my game face on. a few laps, our session was up and it's time to pull off the track and let all the other cars come off as well. I thought now would be a great opportunity to grab some photos and videos of some of the other cars pulling off the track at the same time.
Please stay in your car.
Yes, that's 2 bottles of giggle gas sitting in the boot of this R33 Skyline, owned by Graham from G&T Performance Engines.
I've got a VL and I've had it for a year, so I figured played around with VL like RB30 for that long, why not? Yeah, you know about them, that's it.
The brake on the first one was fine. Yeah. The brake on the other side.
Can you tell us a bit about your car?
Just R33, 1.5, M-Spec, RB30, Power Glide, Power Glide, with trans brake, a little bit of spray, just a fun car, just all-round fun car.
So a little bit of spray is how much?
100.
Yeah, right.
100 shot. But it turns off at $5,000, so look, it doesn't need it because the turbo's small anyway, but yeah, it's just a fun car.
So what size turbo is that?
35 1050. Yeah, Pulsar turbo. Yeah,
Just a little turbo.
just a little. Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Yo dudes, Pete's back. Hey Rav,
Hey, man.
here we are at Lakeside Raceway today. Just taking a stag, just a power tune dash. Just got to get more 85.
Yeah. It's time to get Pete in the hot seat and see his reaction to how this car finally feels after all the work and time we've put in over the last year or two.
Stag boys, just everywhere. Bloody Luke just parks in the middle of the road. Go, 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 go.
I think he likes it.
This is fat. That pulled all the way.
That was all the way.
I love that. Oh, ghosts! Back house today here at Lakeside.
Let's go. If I watch where I'm driving, it's like going on the road.
I wasn't watching either. All wheel.
We wait till the straight at least.
Yeah.
That's annoying. I lost the gear. I was trying to feel felt where it went, and I was like, that's first. Nah, back out. Anyway. So I didn't actually go in first. I was like, that's too far to the left. Anyway, I had him. I had him. Okay, I want to race him.
That dose is fat.
Hey? Let's go!
I'm pretty sure third could go further if you want to line out further.
Fine. This.
That was 155.
Yeah, I saw that. The highlights? Oh, f there's a massive unicorn hanging out the front of this thing.
Yeah, that's Jordan.
Hell yeah! Yes! That's sick! What's he done to that? Is that what?
I'm not sure.
I don't know.
It could be a 3RZ.
Right. What engine's in that? Yeah, right. Yeah, 3RZ. Yeah.
Thought so.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look, Michael.
Oh no.
Man, I can't wait to have mine back. Dude, let us go past. Let's get one more lap in. You asshole.
Like, piss off!
Go away. You wait 26 seconds and then you pull out.
Oh, that's what I usually do.
Josh, we're recording here. This is PG.
No, it's not.
No, it's
Some
not.
of the Aaron and I have said.
Boys are fast cars.
Yeah. Oil pressure gun.
On low or high?
Sloshing, so low.
Glad I did that extension.
Yep. Wonder if that's what happened that other time, because it was about the same.
Yep.
Oh
Probably.
no, that was coming up around that hill there.
What's your oil temperature at?
86.
Yeah, so that's fine.
That is it.
That smells like tyre.
Alright, so I've just pulled off the track because I kept hitting a limiter. And I'm pretty sure the limiter that I kept hitting was oil pressure, which tends to happen in RBs when accelerating really hard. All the oil tends to slosh to the back of the motor and can't be picked up, so you kind of lose a little bit of oil pressure. So at Sideways, Christian built in a protection that if what the expected oil pressure is not met for more than some fraction of a second, it'll impose a limiter on the car, and that's what I kept hitting. So I've just pulled off the track right now, and I'm just having a look through the logs, which is why having something like this and a Haltech is really, really cool, because I can go through the data logs right now and figure out what's going on, make sure my engine's not been hurt, and make sure that it's fine to drive home, which I'm sure it is, but it's just good to know categorically 100% that's all it was. Okay, so for whatever reason it actually wasn't logging. I thought it was set up to automatically log. I'll set that up now so that it actually automatically logs every time I drive over like 3000 RPM or whatever. But I do have an engine code which says oil pressure, so that confirms what I was thinking. I'm going to pack it up for the moment. It's not a hot day, but things were starting to heat up as I drove. My water temp was getting up over 100 degrees, so I think it's time to shut it down. cool off a little bit and go have something to eat. So I think that's a wrap. The car seems all right. I have no logs, but I know I hit oil cut. I think we're gonna call it a day. Head home. Say bye, Pete.
Catch you, dudes.
Pete and I are heading off to grab some lunch and head home. But I am absolutely stoked with how my car performed on the track today. I know it's not a proper track day, it's like happy laps, but still, it's probably the hottest that it's ever been through all this kind of testing phase and after the dyno and stuff. She's held together yet again. I've used half a tank of ethanol, which is another fun part I'm now learning. But anyway, thanks very much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you then. Bye.